What is going, guys? My name is Wolfstickland and welcome everybody to another video. This is the second time I'm actually recording this because I forgot to press start recording. But yes, welcome everybody to the video. I hope you're having an amazing day. Today I'm going to be teaching the beginner guide of how to add a webcam to your OBS. So obviously because of lockdown, streaming is becoming very popular. So I thought, you know what, let's get this video out here and let's see how many people we can help on OBS, because I've been using OBS basically since it came out. Amazing software. But yes, let's get straight into this video, shall we? So first of all, guys, open your OBS. Major factor. Without this program, obviously you cannot add a webcam to OBS. So yes, very simple step. Next step, as you can see, we have sources right down there. I've already got display capture so you guys can see what exactly I am doing. So yeah, so we're gonna right click on sources, or you can just press for add right down there. 9 times out of 10, no, I do right click just because it's habit. I think that was how it was on the old one as well. So yes, you just hover over add and then a video capture device. It shouldn't be anything else. Obviously display capture is like your display. Game capture right there is for your games, obviously. But yes, just click on a video capture device and this is how you can do your capture cards as well. So yeah, so your webcam and your any other devices should be there. So what we're going to do in this little box right here is just type in Logitech C920 because that is the webcam I have got. But yeah, now we're just going to press OK, and as you can see, my capture card has just been like, hi. See, that's like my second PC and stuff. But this is not a video about capture card, guys. This is not a video about capture card. So go to device, and then we have all these options right down here. So I've got HD Pro Webcam C920. That is for my Logitech one. Obviously OBS virtual camera, that's in the latest update, and Elgato screen link, that's connected to my capture card. But yes, as this is a webcam tutorial, guys, we're going to go straight onto there. Basically just try and find whatever the webcam is named under, click onto that, and as you can see, here is my face. Hello everybody, welcome y'all. But yes, one thing I'd recommend, so if you are streaming in 720p or even 900p on a single PC setup, I would recommend just to go from device default to custom and change your resolution to 1280 by 720. I was about to say 1920, but yes, 1280 by 720. And as you can see, the box is just right here. So yes, so leave everything as default. You can do it to the highest FPS if you want, and as you can see, I don't know if it's really changed from 30 FPS to that. I just changed it 30 FPS. Just leave it at default. That's honestly what I'd recommend. So just match output FPS output at auto select 30. But I mean, some webcams are 60, but sometimes 30 FPS looks better, just because I think it's like the aperture of like the light basically it doesn't. Basically you get better lighting at lower FPS, and you know, when you're playing games, you're in the corner of the screen. You are moving around 24/7, are you? You're literally just sitting there playing games, and then yeah. So it doesn't have to be silky smooth because you don't really move your head too much. So yes, once you've done those settings, literally just press OK. But we are not going to do that for now, because if you're on a dual PC setup just like me, or if you're playing Minecraft or a game that isn't intensive and your PC can handle 1080p. I mean, 1080p versus 720p on a little window doesn't really make too much. But as I've got a dual PC setup, you may as well squeeze out as much quality as you can. So yeah, so I'm just going to change the resolution from there to 1080p, 1920 by 1080. As you can see, we are currently on full screen, but obviously when you're playing games, you want it in the background, don't you? So all you have to do is make it a little bit smaller. I'm just going to put mine right down there. And then this little window right here, we can just press OK, and all of your settings are now saved. And just saying, if you just go into the properties right here, anything, all of the things down here, do not change them. I honestly would not recommend changing them, because unless you know what you're doing, then yeah, don't change them one bit though. So yes, so that's basically the tutorial done. Although guys, I'm going to be showing you how to put a webcam border on it as well. Otherwise, obviously, it would be like a kind of short tutorial, basically how to do a couple of clicks, you know? So yes, so I made mine in After Effects. Please do comment down below if you want like a tutorial how to make my personal one. It's very easy. or I could put the video files somewhere like on MediaFire. I don't know where I would upload it, maybe OneDrive, I don't know. Because obviously some websites don't allow like thousands and thousands of people downloading it. Probably bandwidth problems, I don't know. But yeah, so all you have to do now is go back to where the sources are. Oh, I'm dragging it for no apparent reason. Right click, add, and if you have an image as a PNG, JPEG, even a GIF file, I'm pretty sure they support, then do image. But as mine is a media source, remember media sources do use more CPU usage, so you know, we're currently using 1.1, about 1% of my CPU, but have a look what it goes up to after we add this. So yes, we're gonna go media source. I'm just gonna name it as a webcam overlay. And then I'm going to press enter. And then obviously we need to loop it. Otherwise it's just going to play once, you know. And then we're going to find the file just by browsing. Okay, so here is my webcam frame right here. So I'm just going to open that right there. And then leave all the other settings to default. Unless you want the speed, I guess. But I do that in editing anyway. Then I press OK. And obviously this little window thing has just come up. So what we're going to do, just make it a little bit smaller. And basically we're going to try and get it all over my frame, because that's how a webcam border works, you know. It's very hard to get accurate, you know. You have to do pixel by pixel. And yeah, that is everything here. Obviously, I'm on a streaming PC, dual PC setup. So if I just like get a window up quickly, so if I just get my capture card, and this is what it would look like when I'm actually like in a desktop or playing games and stuff, you know. It's really, really easy. And yeah, but yes, I'm now going to end that video. I really hope this video has been informative for you guys in one way or another, because I try to go into as much detail as possible with all my tutorials. But yes, I'm now going to end up the video here. Thank you everybody so much for watching. If you have any issues or any problems or anything, literally anything, just comment down below. Make sure to like the video if you have not already, and make sure to subscribe, because I make daily freaking videos. As you can tell, I'm on the grind, yo. But yes, thank you so much guys for watching. My name's Google Sickness. You guys have been absolutely awesome. Peace out. Much love. You know we're gonna do it. Dab on the haters, y'all.